Hello, I'm Alessia and I'm going to be helping you with your gratitude journaling. So let's sit down together. I'm going to help you with the structure and I'm going to prompt you and we'll just write it together. I've actually got a gratitude journal here, so I'm just going to be using this to help me too. You know how to open up a pen. So I would actually start by putting the date down. Whenever I do journal, I tend to put the date down because it's so nice to go back through and know exactly when you wrote something. So we're going to do 3 things that we are grateful for. I'm grateful for, number 1. So I want you to keep it short and sweet, just 1 sentence. And I want you to make this one about the people in your life. So you might write, I'm grateful for the voice note from my best friend, or it might be a family member, or it might be just a stranger, a nice interaction with a stranger. So write that down now. I wrote down my walk and talk in nature with my mum. Okay. The second one, I want it to be about your surrounding environment, your current environment, where you're spending a lot of your time, where you are now maybe. So I'm gonna write about trees because I've spent a lot of time in nature, Mother Nature. Sometimes when I go past a tree, I'll kind of like hold them and feel the bark. I've written, I'm grateful for the wise old trees that ground me when I feel their leaves. Quite nice this. Last one of this little section, I want you to write a sensation that you're grateful for. If there's nothing that stands out right now, something that happened maybe earlier today, I've written, I'm grateful for the breeze that gently caresses my face. I also had a really nice Beyond Burger earlier on today and it tasted so good. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next section. I want you to write down what would make today great. If you're doing this in the evening, maybe do what would make tomorrow great or this evening great. Just 3 things. Since actually it is later in the day for me, I'm going to say a long evening walk. Lighting a candle and reading. What could my last one be? Working on passion project. Okay, I feel like I haven't given you a lot of time for that, but you can just pause this now if you're not done. Okay, the last thing I want you to do is some daily affirmations. So we're going to do 2 daily affirmations. I think it's really good to frame affirmations in a positive way, in an active way, as opposed to I don't or I'm not. So say things like I am. I think the shorter the better actually, just because then you remember them and you can repeat them throughout the day. And I think that's key, to repeat them throughout the day multiple times. When you're feeling low, when you have a moment to yourself, when you're on public transport and you've got nothing else to do, just think of something that will be really worthwhile reminding yourself of. So I'm actually going to put I'm grateful, which works well for this title of this video. If you sit in gratitude, it's quite hard to get anxious and stressed. Gratitude is the key to overcoming negative feelings. Realizing how much beauty there is around you. I know that we're so busy and stuck in these like 9 to 5 hectic lives, but if we do take a moment to just be grateful for what we've got, I think it will make us a lot happier. Yeah, it means that you pick out all the little nice beautiful things going on in your surrounding environment. Like right now I can see the birds flying and I feel really safe. I've got some really yummy food cooking downstairs. Okay, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and I will see you with another video soon.